If you have a house in Bexley, Ohio that's currently rented out or occupied or leased out, and you want to sell the property easily and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying properties in and around Bexley, Ohio, and we'll buy the property even if it's occupied. There's nothing you need to do. People love working with us because we keep it so easy. There's no awkward conversations that are needed with the person that's living there. We can buy the property even if it's occupied. Even if the property needs an eviction, we can handle all that after the sale. You can still sell the property. You don't need to go through the courts and legal proceedings and evictions and stuff like that. We can take everything where it is and we can buy the property in its as-is condition because we're a true cash buyer. So, when we buy a property as is, that means you don't have to do any work to the property. You don't need to haul anything away or clean anything. And you know as well as I do, any property that's occupied, there's going to be some type of repairs that are needed. Even if it's a good, thorough cleaning, every property needs some work, but it doesn't matter. Repair is big or small. We'll buy the property in its as-is condition because we're a cash buyer. So we're not relying on a bank approval. We're not relying on an inspection, a formal appraisal. That's a traditional buyer. Traditional buyers have it that way, and it's harder when the property's occupied because they got to do all these different walkthroughs, jump through all these hoops. They might want you, the seller, to give credits for repairs and things like that. We're a cash buyer, not a traditional buyer, and when we purchase the property, we're going to make you a fair offer, and there's no commissions and no fees whatsoever. So if you have a property in Bexley, Ohio that's tenant occupied or occupied by anyone, and you want to sell this property, you can call us at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When we get on the phone, it's a very simple conversation. We just need to know more about the property and then any timeline that you might be currently experiencing. And that's important. It's often overlooked. We'll buy the property on your timeline. So if you want to close or need to close quickly, we can make it happen. Not relying on the bank approval, we can close quickly if needed. Or if you need more flexibility, like something needs to happen in your life or with the property before we can close, and you want to set a future target closing date, we're happy to accommodate that as well and provide flexibility if needed. Once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com if you prefer. We have tons of references, testimonials, and great reviews. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. There's no pressure, no gimmicks or sales tactics. And if our offer works for you, great. We're going to communicate clearly this entire time and get this thing to the closing table and make it easy for you. So once again, 614-300-5151 is our phone number. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.